Hey guys, this is Brendan.
Hey!
And he's decided to visit me in North Carolina for about 2 weeks. And so each weekend I have off, we're going to be doing really cool things. This first weekend, we're going to be going to Looking Glass Falls and then go camping at a cool places, I guess. They're pretty cool. I've never been, so hopefully they're cool. And then after that, the next weekend, where are we going?
To the Outer Banks.
Let's go on this adventure together and let's have a great time.
You got your swimming trunks?
I forgot how long it takes to get out of here. This is like a maze walking through my apartment complex. Goodness. Oh. The car is not automatic, which sucks, but at the same time, it was really cheap. So we just left. It's gonna take us 5 hours to get to Looking Glass Falls. We got a lot of jams to listen to and a lot of fun times. Isn't that right, Brendan? Right now, if you guys do not know, we're going through a little bit of a gas crisis in North Carolina. It's still going on. So I went to fill up my tank and they only can give me like 10 bucks in the tank, which is fine. It takes like 20 bucks to fill up my tank. There's some places that haven't got gas for about 12 days. I was talking to the lady in there and she's like, I can give you $10 worth of gas and that's about it. After we filled up, we drove 4 straight hours to Pisgah National Forest and we had our first destination, the waterfall. Okay everyone, we made it to our first location. We're gonna park on the side of the road. We're about to hike just like only like 30 feet and we're gonna be at Looking Glass Falls. It's a very touristy area. Everyone can kind of go to this one, so it's not gonna be like some special hike or anything, but you already see like the river going down and
Everything's special
Yeah.
if you make it special, Zach.
that's true. Hopefully there's not as many people there now that's later and we can get some really cool shots and videos.
She was like, I like your shirt. But she like whispered it.
Yeah, we have a fan of
thank you.
this shirt. Look, if you look right up there is where you're gonna head down. I can see the waterfall, holy crap. It's gorgeous. There looks to be some people there, but not a lot, which is great for me. What?
What are you about to do?
Film stuff?
Just film?
Yeah.
Okay, do your thing.
I thought I was about to get in trouble there or something.
What did she say?
She's like, what are you about to do? I said, oh, we're about to film something. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Obviously, this is a highly tourist area because it's so freaking beautiful. I'd be tourist like crazy here too, so I don't blame them at all. They're over there. But yeah, this is a beautiful waterfall. It's one of the most famous waterfalls in North Carolina. As you can see, this is ginormous.
Keep accidentally hitting you in the face!
Oh, yeah.
Don't think we could look any better.
Exactly.
I mean the waterfall. I don't think the waterfall could look any better.
There we go. Now we see the whole waterfall, baby. It's crazy. Look at that. I just had a Kodak moment with those two people behind me. Lovely couple. They were amazing. I gave them my number and all of that. I'm gonna get Brennan and we're gonna head out.
My dude got a Polaroid camera and these things look awesome. We definitely came here in the 80s or something.
Bye, waterfall. So Brennan, the real question is,
Yeah.
was this waterfall worth it for a 5-hour drive?
Yes.
100%. Hey Zach, quick question for you with the editing. How's it going? You think we're gonna have a really good video? I mean, yeah, I think we're gonna have a good video. I'm pretty good at editing, man. Thank God, I was really hoping we were gonna have a good video.
Oh.
I know your editing sucks, so you
what?
better keep it up. My editing does not suck. Finally made it back to the car. We're getting ready to roll. On the road again. Let's just go on the road again.
Ah, man, this is a good day. Good day.
Made it to our main destination, the Frying Pan Tower. That's where we're starting. Right here, from 50. The hike begins here. And we're gonna start the hike very soon. I'm so excited. You guys don't even know. Hey, come on. Let's go on this hike together. This is just so lush and green right now. You can really feel that you're in the environment. The best part I like about hikes is when it's all dirt and gravel like this. You just know it's a true hike. And that's the thing I love about it. We're really hoping to catch the sunset. It's already setting. I hope we're not too late. So the maps actually took us a different way than where we were supposed to go. They took us the opposite way. So we're walking back. It's already sunset. We're gonna try to make it there on time, but we may not. If not, we're still doing a beautiful hike. I'm gonna get some beautiful drone footage. It's still gonna be worth it. 2 miles hiked the wrong way. And it's finally there.
Finally there. Just like Zach said.
Yep.
It totally works when two people are
Right
vlogging.
up there. We could have been up there already, but we decided to take a scenic route.
Yes, decided.
Yeah, 2 mile hike one way. And then we were like, wait, we're going the wrong way. So we turned around. Oh, there we go. We have all the way up there. Yeah. Beautiful.
I know, right?
When I made it to the top of the tower, I was immediately in awe over the beautiful view I was seeing with my own eyes. Driving 5 hours, getting lost and hiking on the wrong path for 30 minutes was well worth it just to see this view. The most incredible part of this trip, I was with one of my best friends. Sometimes it's not the end that is the best part, but the journey, and who joined you on this crazy thing called life. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Until next time, y'all. Until next time.